you guys. I hope y'all having another good day. First things first, I apologize for any excessive road noise or quality of the video. I'm actually filming this on my cell phone, my Galaxy Note 10 Plus, but I wanted to get some road film. I completely forgot to get my camera this morning. I left my house around 5 in the morning. I forgot to get my camera. I kicked myself in the ass for it. But if you're still watching the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up because we got some good news today. So, you guys, we're driving to South Carolina today. Going to pick up some parts for, obviously, the Mega Cab, the 6.7. It's exciting. It's exciting. I'll tell you guys straight up what we're going to get. So, I found on Marketplace, Facebook Marketplace, a Super Lift 8-inch suspension lift. The deal is incredibly low. It's a once in a lifetime, not a lifetime, it ain't gonna come again for a long time. I saw it on Marketplace a couple days ago, reached out to the guy. I said, hey man, would you happen to take my offer? I offered him. He said, yeah, when can you come? I said, well, considering I'm 6 hours away, it probably won't be till Friday, Saturday, the earliest. And he said, no, that's cool, man. So I'm extremely excited. It came up with a 2007 Dodge Ram 2500. He told me a customer took it off because they wanted to put a 6-inch lift on. So I was just like, my eyes had like the dollar signs on them, like cha-ching. It was super cool. I was happy. I'm so happy. Only thing that the lift will not come with will be shocks, but we got something lined up for some 8-inch shocks that are going to be really good. I think they're going to complement the forged wheels that we got coming in soon. And by the way, a lot of you don't know that we got new wheels on the way for the truck. If you watched the live stream last month, I talked about it. But yeah, we got new wheels on the way. 24 by 14s. Once again, I'm gonna run 37s. If you want to take a guess at what wheels they are, by all means, what brand, model number, comment down below. I would love to hear what all you guys got to say. What type of wheel I'm going to be on with. I'm not telling anybody. There's only one person on social media that knows, or two people on social media that know what I have. But I'm not going to tell you guys until the wheels get in and they're on the truck. So I'm sorry if I got you on a cliffhanger or suspense is killing you. I gotta wait for the wheels to get made because they're custom ordered made to order. So it's gonna be a good time. But we're expecting them. I want to say end of February, mid to end February, early March, the latest. But yeah, so we're gonna get to. We're probably, let's see, we're about 15 minutes away from the destination. Been driving for about the last 5 hours and 45 minutes, so we're getting close. But I definitely want to get some film on camera before getting there and showing you guys the lift and stuff. I probably won't show the lift until I get back to the house, just because, I'm filming on my cell phone, which I'm really not a big fan of, but that's what times calls for, that's what measures. So I will see you guys here in a little bit. Well, a little bit for you, a long time for me. I will see you guys. We will catch up and go from there. Oh snap, we got the old John boat hooked up. We ready. We also got some goodies in here that I'm about to pull out for y'all. Get ready, guys. So we made it back finally. I did 12 hours of driving today. 6 hours. It was like a little under 6 hours. 6 hours up, 6 hours back. When I left getting the stuff, turned around, got some food real quick, came back, hit the road running. I got the boat hooked up and all that stuff. But before I take the lift kit into the garage and show y'all it, let me get y'all a little quick perspective of what we're dealing with here, because I wasn't ready for this difference. This is going to be ridiculous, okay? So check it out. So this right here, if I can get my oh, that didn't help. Well, I was gonna get my see if we can get autofocus working. You guys can see the comparable difference in height of the coils. Now granted, the coil isn't in its natural position. There we go, I got my cell phone out. Granted, the coil is not in this natural seating position, but you can eyeball it roughly. You can see right there that rubber puck on the gold coil up top where it stops at, and then this guy just keeps going. It goes past the spacer. So that's a 5-inch coil, I guess, by Rough Country with a 2.5-inch spacer on top. This is just a straight up 8-inch coil. It's heavier and bigger. That sucker weighs about 30 pounds. It is heavy as hell. I'm so excited. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do now is I'm gonna go ahead and put the stuff in. I'm gonna put it in the garage, lay it all out, so that way I can show you guys what we work with, okay? All right, you guys, this is it. So we're in the garage. Sorry for the mess. I have been all over the place in here lately. So this is it, y'all. We got the 8-inch. This is the brand is a Super Lift. So we got an 8-inch Super Lift suspension lift. This is it. Yes, I know it don't look pretty, but that's all easily fixable. We'll clean up the blocks. This time I'm going to paint. I'm gonna color match my lift blocks in the rear. I think that's gonna look real nice in the back. And then to prep for the lift, we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna be painting the the frame of the body, axles and everything. I got some paint. That's gonna be a whole separate video. We got a lot of stuff going on right now. So these springs, man, I mean, they're freaking massive. I'm standing here. I'm standing probably about 3 feet away just to get it in shot, and I'm zoomed out all the way. So I know. I mean, if you're looking at it, you can see my jack handle. These springs come up halfway to my jack handle, and that's a 3-ton jack, floor jack. So these springs are massive and super beefy. I like the fact that, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I was expecting them to be the same size like the Rough Countries, except taller. I didn't know they were gonna be beefed up like this. That right there is legit. It does come with the control arms, but got good news on that. My boy Kevin over at Ranette Ironworks, he's custom fabbing up me a long arm kit for the front. So we got a long arm kit on the way, and we have a heavy duty steering sway bar on the way from him as well. Hopefully we'll be getting that within 2 weeks. But this came with everything. I mean, he even gave me the sway bar drop brackets, which is super awesome. That saves me like 50 bucks. He still has all the bushings for control arms if I did need them. The U-bolts are in good conditions. The threads aren't all stripped out or nothing, so everything's reusable. I've just got to clean the blocks up. Y'all know, don't even comment asking, am I gonna paint the coils the same color? That ain't even a question. That's an answer, okay? I will be making a video, so I finally will give the sauce out to you guys, because since I have a video painting my first coils, but the channel was super small back then, and I get asked every month, you know, what I use on my coils to paint them, or people ask me who powder coated them. I didn't powder coat them, I painted them. So I will have a full in-depth tutorial video showing how to custom paint your own shocks, you know, or your coils. It's gonna be good. This one is gonna be a little interesting because the base is black. Mine were silver when I got them, so I'll be interested to see how that works out, but I'm still excited nonetheless. So we finally got an 8-inch lift. Now you guys know me. I'm not one to, yeah, you guys can see me. Oh, that's better. You guys know me. I'm not one to be bragging and stuff like that. I did get a really good deal on this stuff. So a lot of you guys are gonna ask where I get it from. I got it off Marketplace used, obviously. This dude who works at a mechanic shop, body shop, or a suspension shop, whatever you want to call it, he took this 8-inch lift off of a 2007 2500 that a customer brought in to put a 6-inch on. The customer didn't want it, so he said, do whatever you want with it. So dude put it on Marketplace. This dude was in Iowa, South Carolina. It's like on the border between South Carolina and Georgia, like directly above Atlanta. I went there, I made the drive. I told him, I was like, yo dog, would you take 150? He's like, how soon can you come? I was like, shit, I can come this Friday. So I did. So what I'm getting at, you guys, is always be alert. You know what I'm saying? Like, I've always, every week, every other week, I would always get on Marketplace, Craigslist. Craigslist is dead over here where I live at. It sucks. But I would always get online, the forums and stuff, and like look to see if people are selling stuff that are in good condition for a good deal. Do I need to pay? Now, what this does, well, what I was gonna say was, you don't always have to pay full price for stuff. You know, there's nothing wrong with getting used stuff if you get a good deal on it and it's in good condition like this stuff is, especially with what's going on with the new wheels that are gonna be coming in soon. So, always be on the look, man. You never know. Same thing with the camper shell. People ask me all the time where I get the camper shell from, how much I paid for it. I paid like 200 bucks for it. I found it on Marketplace an hour away from me. Somebody was selling it. So always be looking, you know what I'm saying? That way you can never cut yourself short. I'm super pumped, man. Y'all Y'all don't understand, man. That just saved that right there. I looked it up online. A super lift 8-inch lift is I think it's like $1,400. So we just saved so much money on the channel and for the truck. But we're gonna get the height that we want. Okay. If anybody's curious what current height I have currently a 5-inch rough country with a 2.5-inch spacer on top of the front coils. The rears are just a 4-inch blocks or whatever size blocks come with the 5-inch rough country. So we're gonna be sitting high, riding good. With the wheels coming in, we got more stuff coming in too for the outside body. Not gonna lay it all on y'all yet because I can't just lay it all out right now because y'all ain't gonna keep up with me. But we got a lot of stuff, man. I'm telling y'all, January, February, March are gonna be crazy months, so you definitely don't want to miss out. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so that way you know when I put the videos up, okay? And also follow the Instagram. I gotta get back in the habit of saying make sure you follow the Instagram at the beginning of the video because I don't know, every time I just forget. So make sure you follow the Instagram, make sure you subscribe to the channel with the bell notification hit, so that way you know every time I put it up, you will get a notification, okay? So we got a lot of stuff to look forward to. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Once again, I apologize for the camera quality, audio issues in the beginning of the video because I was recording on my cell phone. Comment down below, let me know what you think about the lift kit. What do you think about the audio video quality of the Galaxy Note 10? Was it good? Was it acceptable? Garbage? Whatever. Comment down below, tell me how you guys feel about everything. I can't wait to make this next video that I'm going to be doing. Comment down below if you know what you think it's going to be. Once again, remember to hit the like button. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Take care, be safe.